Cause and Effect Analysis, Revising and Editing by Mackenzie Way, Evan Richardson, and Leah Hagelin.
While revising and editing your draft, there are many things to take into consideration. Have your causes and effects been explained clearly and specifically? Readers are going to want to see the patterns of causes and effects, their sequence, and their level of importance. They will need to see facts, examples, and other statistics to accept your analysis. Have you demonstrated that causes are not merely coincidences? You are going to want to avoid assuming that one event caused another event just because the events are correlated with one another. To be convincing, you must back all of your claims with evidence.
Have you considered every cause and effect possible? Your analysis should be more than just the basic cause and effect examples. You must consider not just the causes and effects that seem obvious and most important, but all the possibilities. These include minor and major cause and effects, and remote as well as immediate. Presenting the cause and effect relationships and all their complexity helps avoid oversimplifying them. Have you presented the cause and effects honestly without your own bias? When writing your essay, make sure to include the cause and effects that do not support your thesis. If it does not support it, you can provide insight on how it is unimportant. If the cause has good and bad effects, explain the bad effects and then explain why the good outweigh the bad. Do not just leave it out of the essay. Including causes that have the opposite effects of what your thesis states and proving them to be supportive to your thesis will actually improve the strength of your essay.
Why are transitions important? Transitions are important to signal the sequence and importance of events. What purpose do they have? Transitions between sentences can show how you pinpoint cause and effects. You can use examples such as "for this reason" and "as a result" to show the steps. What order should they go in? They should go in a first, second, third order. Link the events by time and importance, from important, equally important, and more crucial.
Here's an example of an essay before editing and revision. Notice lack of clarification before some examples, lack of proper word choice, informal writing strategies, and run-on sentences. Here's that same sample essay after slight editing and revision. Notice some phrases added and a few words taken away, and the usage of better transition words. And here's that same essay again after thorough revision and editing. Notice run-on sentences becoming shorter or eliminated, addition of better adjectives, and the execution of improper sentences.
Cause and effect is the most common form of analysis in research writing. The ability to measure cause and effect will be relevant to all of your courses and all of your careers. No matter the topic, the focus of cause and effect is to examine a series of events on a timeline. These events or causes that lead to or from an effect are known as the causal chain. Every cause and effect relationship that you present must be proven with viable sources. In all academic writing, take care to avoid logical fallacies or errors in reasoning. The most common logical fallacy in cause and effect writing is called post hoc ergo propter hoc, or after this, therefore because of this. If you find yourself struggling to establish a cause and effect relationship, you might be committing post hoc. Let's examine the cause and effect process using healthcare laws as a topic. Ask yourself, what healthcare laws existed historically? How do these affect healthcare today? And what might happen if certain changes are made? Here's a sample thesis. Healthcare laws have become fairer to the middle class over time, but without strict out-of-pocket caps, they'll continue to gouge patients' wallets. This is
Elise Stefanik has